Hello, my name is Mary Claude George. I'm working with Medishare since after the earthquake 23 January. I was working in the airport inside the big tent. We received many people over there. I remember the last time I was very happy. We found one guy. He has 25 days inside the what is it? Home? No. Inside the house. The house fell down his body. He has 25 days. And then somebody found him and he came at Medishare. Medishare took care of him. We was very happy. And then when I was at the airport, we received many patients. Baby, children and adults, everybody. And now in June we came here to Benames, the nice hospital. I love it. And before when I was in the airport, I was in charge outpatient and in an emergency room I work. And now I'm in charge outpatient. We're working Monday to Friday. Oh, Monday is a crazy day. Many people come and they're very sick. Most people I receive, they have, for the baby, they have hernia, ripper, diarrhea, sometimes vomiting, fever, malaria. I think now malaria is stopped. We listen about the cholera in Haiti, but not too much people maybe have cholera at clinic. One sometime or two. Now this week I'm off because last 2 weeks ago I went to surgery, hernia repair. I'm working here 13 hours. Sometimes I receive 180 or 198 patients by day. Sometimes.
In one day?
Yes. When I'm done, I give my help at emergency room. I'm in charge of bracelet and give the medical code number to the new patients in all the floor. I'm in charge to make sure if all the floor is clean. Talk to the parents. Don't sit on the bed of the patient. Don't eating inside the floor. Don't come inside the floor. So only the patients have authorization to sit on the bed and eating, come, sometimes laugh, and talk on the phone inside the floor.
So tell us, what is the hardest part of being here and working in the hospital?
La partie plus dure de travailler ici.
Plus dur. Okay. You see, to work at emergency or triage is very hard. To receive many people, to vitals many people prepare the church, and then vitals, and give the church to different doctors. It's hard, but I love it. You know why? He make my mind busy. You know why? In the earthquake, I lost my husband, my house, everything I have, and he make me forget it. Sometimes when I stop to work, I'm so sad because I remember everything again.
Thank you for telling us your story.